Okay, now I'll show you how I'll just follow my hand as I do the window, and you go round, twist, just watch the hand movement. That's all you have to do. It's so easy. It's light on the hand and the wrist, and not to mention the arms, and like that. Now I'm just going to show you how I do it, and I'll just follow around as I do the window, and when you can see when I turn, I'm just holding by the fingertips very comfortably, not pushing very hard, and as you can see I'm just going slow for the benefit of the people that sort of want to know. As you see how I stopped, that no strain on the wrist at all. I'm just holding like that. Okay, I'll just soap him up a bit. Okay, this is for the people that they always say, I see people do it, but I can't actually see how they twist it around. Well, this is the way I twist around. As you can see, that big handle is a very big advantage. That's why I've made it, as you can see, just in holding the hands to show you. Not real thick, but does the job, and that's why I've put this around the handle, because it seems to me most handles are just a little bit too small.